This website right here can pay you $50 per video and give you free products just for you to make a video for their products. And this is probably one of the easiest work from home side hustles that anyone can do, irrespective of your educational background. And the website I'm about to share with you right now works worldwide, so irrespective of the country that you are residing right now, you can easily get registered on this website, get paid once you complete the task being given to you. All right, so I'll walk you the step-by-step process you can follow to get registered on this website, complete the video task that they are going to be giving you, and get paid. So whether you are a stay-at-home mom, a student, or someone who is looking for a side hustle you can use to start making $50 just by working 15 minutes or less, this particular website right here can be able to help you to achieve that goal. All right, now before we jump fully into this video, I need you guys to do something for me right now. Now, if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also turn on the bell notification icon so that you always stay updated once I drop new videos right now. Okay, now the second thing I need you guys to do for me right now is to go to the comment section of this video and drop a positive comment for me right down there in the comment section. Now this is very, very important for me because it motivates me to keep looking out for this outstanding website for you guys and coming over to this channel right here to share these informations with you guys free of charge. Okay, so make sure you don't forget to do that, and let's jump into the video right now. Okay, now the website we are talking about right now is known as Viral Ecom Creators. All right, now you can see where it's stated right here: create content for brands you love and get paid and receive free products. Okay, for you to be able to get to this particular page right now, all you need to do right now is to go to the video description of this video and you will see a link that says get registered or sign up with Viral Ecom Creators. Okay, now once you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this particular page right now. Okay, because this is actually the parent website to that particular creator side. Okay, so once you land on this particular page using the link you have in the description of this video, come over right here to where we have UGC ad, which stands for user generated content. Okay, now come over to this Viral Ecom Creators and click on it. All right, now once you click on this particular stuff, it's going to bring you over to this particular page. Now once you land on this page, just take a look at the upper right hand side. You will see where it says become a creator. Go ahead and click on become a creator. All right, and once you have done that, it's going to bring you over to this particular page so that you can be able to see the free sign up page where you can easily go ahead and set up your account with this platform. Now before we go ahead to start signing up, let me walk you through on how this particular platform works. All right, now right here you can see the first thing that you need to do once you have signed up is that every day they are going to be sending you new brands available for you to work with. Okay, once you have decided to work with a brand, they will then provide you the details of the type of videos or photos that they are looking for you to create for them. All right, and also you will also be connected with unlimited brands right there. Okay, so this platform right here can help you to be able to get access to unlimited brands based on their criteria, like the criteria that the brand actually requires. Now here is the kind of video or the content that you are actually going to be creating for this brand. Okay, so you can, if you can be able to make videos like this using that brand's product, you will stand a chance to be able to start making money for yourself. As you can see, to make this particular video right here is just very easy. The brands are the ones that are going to be sending you this particular product, and all you just need to do is just to take a video of that product as if you are the person using that product. Okay, so that is actually what is being known as user generated content, and this is something that anyone can do, and you don't need any specific degree or skills for you to be able to do something like this. Okay, all you just need to do is just to have a basic video editing skills, which I'm also going to show you how you can easily do so that you can be able to start making money online using this particular website right now. So what we have to do right now is just to come over right here and click on this free sign up. Now once you click on this free sign up, it's going to bring you over to this page where you will see register as a creator. Okay, now the first thing you need to do right now is just to go ahead and fill in your first name, your last name, email, and password. All right, so I've gone ahead right now to fill in all these details right here. So once you have done filling in the details, go ahead and click on register as a creator. All right, now once you have gone ahead to click that link, you see sign up successfully, now redirecting you to your dashboard immediately. Okay, so you don't need to go to any quiz or test or anything for you to be able to get accepted to this website, and it works for everyone. Now once you land on your dashboard, the next thing you need to do is for you to go ahead and complete your onboarding process so that you can be able to fully get registered with them. Okay, so right now you need to complete all these fields that are marked with asterisks right here, so that you can be able to go ahead and get started. Okay, so right now go ahead and fill in your first name and your last name, your city, your country, and also your zip code. And also you go ahead right now to select your creators rate. Okay, so if you are an Asian person, you select Asian, American, Indian, go ahead. If you're a black person or an African, you can go ahead and select black or African American right here. If you are a white person, a Hispanic, or anything you are, you can just simply come over right here and choose your race. Okay, so come over right here and select your age range. Now the age range right here starts from 18. Okay, that's why I say you must be up to 18 years old for you to be able to get registered on this platform. And once you have selected your age range right here, the next thing is go ahead and select your gender. And once you have done that, go ahead and put in your PayPal email address, because that's where you're going to be receiving your payment. Okay, so if you don't have a PayPal account right now, I have two videos that are going to show you how to create a PayPal account, and I'm going to link those videos down in the description of this video. The first one is how you can be able to create an unbannable PayPal account to put right here, and the second one is how you can quickly come up with a PayPal account you can easily add right here, so that you can be able to easily receive your payout from this particular platform. All right, now once you have added your PayPal account right now, the next thing is to go ahead and add in your phone number and also how much UGC have you created. Okay, now it's important that if you have made up to 4 UGC generated content, for you to come over right here and go ahead and upload it. Now you don't need to wait for a brand to order a UGC for you to make one. All you just need to do is just to look around your house and pick a product and make a video about that product. Okay, for example, right now I have a product in my hand, so I can actually do a product right now and make a video right now where I'm just taking out this gum, just like I'm doing it right here, putting it in my mouth and chewing it, and that becomes the video. Okay, so you don't need to stress yourself or find the product idea for what you're going to do. Just look around your house, find a product that you bought in the market or anything, do a video about that product, and go ahead right here and upload it right here. Okay, and right here you can see some example of the UGC content that other people have created right here, so you can go ahead and emulate it and create yours. Okay, so you can see this one that this lady is doing right here about, you know, coffee edition right here. So right here is holding a Starbucks coffee cup right now. Okay, so this is something that is very easy that you can easily do. Okay, so guys, if you don't know how to like put text right here on your videos, or how you can work on your transitions, or how you can just properly edit your videos so that they can be able to get accepted on this platform and will also make big brands to also look out for you. Now what I will actually suggest for you guys right now to go ahead and do is to come over right here on the Skillshare platform and go ahead and search how to create viral videos. Okay, now you will see this particular video right now that have over 7,000 students, how to create viral videos for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Short, and all that. Okay, this is exactly what your clients are looking for, and this course will show you how to master how you can be able to do this. Okay, so if I go ahead right now and open up the course content right now, you will see everything that you are going to be learning. You can see how it's putting tests right here, how he's going to be doing everything that you need for you to be able to create a professional content that is actually going to go viral, because this is actually what your client or the brand that is looking to hire you is looking for, you making a content that's going to go viral for their products. And if you learn how you can be able to do that, you will stand a chance to continuously get gigs right there on this viral ads creators platform. Okay, so go to the video description of the video and you will see a link that will says get 1 month free access of Skillshare to sign up on this platform to go ahead and take this course. Okay, so currently Skillshare is actually charging like $14 per month for people to sign up. Okay, but you can be able to use that link that I have in the video description to sign up on this particular Skillshare platform and watch this course free of charge without spending any money at all. Okay, so once you have mastered how you can be able to do this, all you simply have to do right now is just to quickly come over right here and go ahead and upload the videos that you have created. Okay, so simply come over right here and click to upload, but you will need a minimum of 4 videos. Okay, so go around your house right now and pick up some products just like this one I use for an example, make a video out of it using the method being shared with you right here in this particular Skillshare video, and go ahead and start uploading those videos so that you can be able to complete your onboarding process. Okay, now once you have uploaded your videos, now the next thing you need to do is for you to go ahead and add some example of your UGC photos. Okay, so for example, I can be holding this product right now and take a photo of myself and simply go ahead right now and upload it right there. Okay, because some companies can also order you for you to just take a picture of yourself while creating those videos. Okay, now once you have done all that, simply come over right here and click on complete onboarding, and that's all. And also don't forget to click right here to upload your profile image. Okay, so that's all that you will need to do for you to be able to set up your account. So now that you are done setting up your account, let me now show you a full process of how this particular stuff works. Okay, so if I come over right here and go to how it works right now, the first thing that we did right now is to do the onboarding process. Okay, so once you have completed the onboarding, you can see a video that will show you how to do that step by step. Now the second thing is for you to go ahead and pick a brand. Okay, now the brands right now is actually going to be sent to you based on the criteria that you have selected in the onboarding process, and also the video samples that you actually send to them. So make sure that you go ahead on the Skillshare platform to learn how you can properly edit your videos, do the transitions, so that these brands are actually going to select you and send you lots of deals right now. Okay, now the next thing that you need to do is for you to go ahead and approve project. Okay, so you can see the sections where you can easily go ahead and approve the project that you have right now. Okay, and you can also see the project that you have and the orders you have, so you can go ahead and start completing those orders. Okay, now once you have worked on the project and you have finished doing the videos for them, go ahead and submit the videos that you have actually created for those brands. Okay, now once you have done that, then the brands are actually going to go ahead and do some revisions to watch if you actually created the type of videos that they need you to create. Now once you have done that, you will easily get paid to your account. So you can easily come over right here and click on this how it works and open up all these videos that you see right here, so you can see the step-by-step process on how this particular platform right here works. And if you have any more questions, you can easily visit their frequently asked questions right now, and so they can be able to get answers to any questions you need. Okay, for example, how can you be able to get the product? Right here you can see that the brands are going to ship the product directly to you right there. Okay, so to the address you provided on your onboarding process, that's where these brands are going to be sending the product to, for you to use those products to make a video right here. Okay, and right here, what is the rate per UGC? As you can see right here, we suggest that brands use a rate of $50 per UGC minimum, while some brands choose to offer less or more depending on the brand. Okay, so you can easily get the questions that you actually need right now. Okay, now before we go, let me just show you guys this case study right here. Now you can see this case study from Emily right here. I've been working with viral e-com ads for over a year now, and they are my go-to place to get consistent UGC work from brands. Okay, now I am being able to bring in an extra $2,000 per month while I am a part-time content creator. Okay, so this particular platform right here can be able to help you to earn anywhere from like $8,000 to $2,000 each and every month or more for yourself once you come over right here and start providing these services to these brands. So guys, that's it for this video. Now one thing I want you guys to know right now is that the e-commerce industry is becoming bigger and bigger, and so many players, so many brands are actually getting to start using the user-generated content right there for them to be able to start sharing it on their social media platforms or to use it for their marketing purposes. Okay, because this is actually one of the best performing content ideas right now. Okay, in fact, in one of our private e-com groups where we have people making millions per day using the e-commerce business, one of the content strategies that we are utilizing right now is to utilize the UGC content strategy. Okay, so we normally have people come to the group to make a request of a particular UGC content creator that they actually wants to work with. Okay, so one thing I will advise you right now is to go ahead and implement what I just shared with you in this particular video, and also do well to join our Telegram channel. Okay, so that if there is a need for me to be able to collect a list of people that are doing UGC content, I can easily go over to that Telegram and make a post about that, so they can be able to see that post and go ahead and register or list your name that you're also doing that, so that once the people that we have in this our private group that are doing millions each and every day for themselves start needing more and more UGC content creators, I can easily share those contacts with them so that you can be able to start working with them and start making money for yourself. Okay, so the link to join our Telegram channel will be in the video description of this video, and all the links I mentioned in this video is actually going to be in the description of this video, so go ahead and use those links, okay, to sign up on these platforms. Okay, and also if you find this video valuable, don't forget to let me know. Go down in the comment section and let me know, and go ahead right now to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. Like the video and click the bell notification icon. Okay, and if you're finding it difficult to sign up on the Skillshare platform so that you can go ahead and watch how to create viral content on social medias like TikTok, Instagram Reel, YouTube Short, and so on and so forth, here is a video that's going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can go ahead and do that. So here is how to sign up on Skillshare and get a 1-month free trial. So what you need to do is to go to the video description of this video, and you will see a link that says the first 1,000 people to use the link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Go ahead and click on that link. Now once you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page where it says Martin EO has given you 1 free month of Skillshare, get unlimited access to thousands of inspiring classes and so many other stuff right here. So what you need to do is to go ahead and sign up to continue. So I want to continue with Google, okay? So go ahead and click on continue with Google. And to go ahead right here and bring out your email address or your Gmail address you can use to continue, okay? So all you need to do is to go ahead right here and choose an account for yourself. So you can go ahead right here and select an account right here. Now, once you land on this page, it's going to ask you to select a payment method. Now, if you remember before, I said that Skillshare is a paid platform, but because you are using the link in this video description, you are getting a 1 month free trial to go ahead and check out the platform and try the course I recommended to you for 1 full month without paying on the platform. But you need to put in your credit card details for you to be able to gain access to the platform, okay? Now, note that as it is stated right here that Skillshare is going to email you 7 days before the end of your trial so that you could be able to cancel from the platform if you do not want to continue learning from that platform, okay? That's why it's stated right here that today's total is $0.00. So you are not paying anything to be able to gain access to this Skillshare platform today for 30 days, okay? And it's also important to know that the cards that Skillshare accept right here is a MasterCard or a Visa card, okay? So go ahead and put in your MasterCard's number and all the details right here. So once you have inputted your credit card details right here, come right here and select where you heard about them, which is going to be YouTube, and go ahead and click on start your free month, okay? Now, if you use the card that I asked you guys to use, you will successfully get logged in into the Skillshare platform, okay? Now, instead of you going right here to put in your card number or your Nigerian bank cards, which is not going to work, all you simply have to do is just to go ahead and click on select PayPal. Now, once you select PayPal, go ahead and click on start your free month. And this will now require you to go ahead and sign in to your Nigerian PayPal account. And remember, as a Nigerian, you can create a PayPal account which you can use to make payment, but you cannot use it to receive payment. PayPal allow Nigerians to do that, okay? Now all you have to do is just go ahead and sign in into that your PayPal account. And once you sign in into that your PayPal account, if you do not have one, go ahead and just go to paypal.com and create a new account for yourself, and it's going to get you approved. Link your card to that PayPal account. If you link your Nigerian bank card to that PayPal account and you go ahead and sign in, this thing will synchronize automatically and it will allow you to get into the Skillshare platform immediately without any problem. So this is exactly how you will be able to solve the issue of getting into the Skillshare platform if Skillshare is not accepting or declining your card right now, okay?